How to make my online business successful. Embarking on the digital adventure of running an online business. Join the club. Countless entrepreneurs are navigating the vast online landscape, pondering the age-old question, how to make my online business successful. Fear not, fellow digital pioneers, for we've got the map to guide you through the wilderness of the virtual marketplace. Stay tuned to the end. For a business offer, you can start today. Let's kick things off with a deep dive into the digital pool of market research. Before you start setting up shop, dip your toes into understanding your audience. It's like digital anthropology, but with fewer binoculars. Identify your competitors. They're not FOs, but friendly rivals on this digital racetrack. Gauge the demand for your products or services. Because, let's face it, selling igloos in the Sahara might not be the best business plan. Crafting a compelling value proposition is your secret sauce. Think of it as your digital elevator pitch, minus the awkward elevator music. Communicate what makes your online business the superhero in a sea of capes. Bonus points if you can slip in the phrase, "How to make my online business successful," seamlessly. You're not just a business owner. You're a linguistic acrobat. Your website is your digital storefront. Think of it as the display window for the world to see. Invest in it like you would a brick-and-mortar shop, but with fewer bricks and more clicks. Optimize it for search engines SEO, because you want to be the belle of the search engine ball. When someone types in, "How to make my online business successful," quality is king. It's the crown jewel of your online kingdom. Provide products or services that make your customers sing your praises. If your product were a karaoke song, it should be a chart topper, not a one-hit wonder. Digital marketing is your virtual loudspeaker. Social media, email marketing, and content marketing are your orchestra. Play the symphony of "How to make my online business successful" across these channels, and you'll have a digital hit on your hands. Engage with your audience like you're throwing a virtual block party. Social media newsletters be the life of the digital swar. Encourage reviews. It's like receiving compliments at a fancy gala, only in the digital realm. Adaptability and innovation are your dynamic duo. Stay ahead of trends. It's like being the trendsetter at a digital fashion show. Embrace change. It's the only constant in the digital universe. In conclusion, making your online business a digital triumph involves a symphony of strategies and a dash of humor. So, fasten your digital seatbelt, fellow digital pioneers. The journey to success is not just a road trip. It's a digital odyssey. Ready to start today? Click on the above link for a free webinar for such a program. With the Done For You webinar, you can start promoting today. Thank you for watching.